Hello students. Students, previous period we have seen parallels of latitude. Today we will see meridians of longitude. Students, to see meridians of longitude in your textbook on page number 5, one activity has given. In figure 1.8, angle ABC, angle DEF, angle GHI have shown. All these angles measure 50 degree. However, the distances between A and C, D and F, and G and I are different when it is measured on the Earth's surface. Students, you should do this activity on your own. Then you will get this figure. Now we will see meridians of longitude. Students, you will realize that the lines drawn from point A, B and C make angles at M, the center of the earth on the plane of the equator. Through these points, we can draw semicircles joining both the poles. Starting with point A, we can draw similar semicircles through points placed at each degree, and these semicircles are known as meridians of longitude. One of these meridians is considered to be 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distances of the other meridians from the prime meridian are measured in degrees and are called longitudes. You have done this in the activity based on figure 1.9. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridians lie opposite on the globe, forming a circle. This circle divides the earth in the eastern and western hemispheres. All meridians are equal in size. Meridians in the eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east, etc. While in the western hemisphere, they are labeled as 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west, etc. Students, if you will see figure 1.6, in this figure 30 degree east longitude have shown. On this 30 degree east longitude, Cairo, Harare and Durban in Africa, these places are located. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitudes and longitudes. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallels is the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridians is not same everywhere. We can see this even on the segment of an orange. The distance between the meridians is the maximum on the equator and goes on reducing towards the pole. At the pole, it is 0. The distance between any two adjacent parallels is 111 km on the surface of the earth. The distance between two adjacent meridians is also 111 km on the equator. To locate the places within this distance of 111 km exactly, we need to divide the unit degree into smaller units. Degrees are divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Conventionally, latitudes and longitudes are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values are expressed using the symbols degrees. For degree, this symbol is there. For minutes, this symbol is there. And for seconds, this symbol is there. In all, we can draw 360 meridians, each at a distance of 1 degree. So, 0 degree is the prime meridian, 180 degree is the meridian. 1 degree east to 179 degree east meridian. Thus, we have 179 meridians in the eastern hemisphere, 1 degree west to 179 degree west meridians. Thus, 179 meridians in the western hemisphere. So students, afterwards here one game has given. You should read this game which is given in Think a Little and try to guess the answer of the questions asked in this game. Thank you.